Welcome to Lion Bytes Google Classroom. Quick practical help guides for Mountain View families. Each video focuses on one skill to help you monitor assignments, feedback, and overall progress in Google Classroom. This video will focus on how to find missing assignments in Google Classroom. Click the class you wish to look at from the home screen. Click Classwork. Click View Your Work. Click the Task Filter drop-down. Here you can filter the status label you would like to see. To filter for missing assignments, click Missing. The screen will now only show assignments that have been marked missing in Google Classroom. What should you do here? When reviewing missing assignments, look for point value of each missing assignment, due date versus submission date, whether the assignment is still open for submission, teacher comments including partial credit or revision needed, patterns, multiple missing assignments in the same class. This will help you and your student prioritize which work to complete first. Ask, which of these assignments is worth the most points? Which assignment will improve your grade the most if completed? What can you complete first to make the biggest impact? What to do. Prioritize assignments with the highest point value. Confirm whether late work is still accepted. Set a clear completion timeline. Encourage direct communication with the teacher. Follow up to confirm if it was submitted correctly. Thank you for watching Lion Bytes, finding missing assignments.